What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage, and today I got another bonus video or a highlighted vehicle. And the reason why I'm going to highlight this vehicle is just because of where it's at price-wise, and because they don't make these anymore, and it's actually kind of cool. I kind of like this truck, so let's go ahead and get directly into it. So this, ladies and gentlemen, is a flex fuel Chevrolet Avalanche. Now she has a little bit of scuffing. Looks like she hit a pole or something back here. No physical dings or body damage that I see yet. That door handle is missing. Probably lots of scratches once you clean her up on that side. Ooh, I just walked through a big spider web. That's fun times. Not. Let's get that off my arms, please. The front end of this thing looks good. I think this is the last generation front end that they put on this one too, right? I think so. All right, let's walk around this car to get to it here. See what we're looking at. Yeah, she doesn't look bad. It looks like somebody tried to plasti dip the wheels. Yuck. Really hate that stuff, man. All right. 2010 Chevy Avalanche. Oof. Wow, she is caked with mud, and it smells like armpits and assholes in here. All right, armpits and assholes. Look at that mud caked in here. That's bad. The door card's missing over there, almost like they tried to fix it and then said F it. Steering column is taken apart. Maybe this is a theft recovery. It's my guess. Loss type is unknown now. Does it have a key? Oh yeah. The key has been chewed up. So you can see that right there. This was a theft recovery. Somebody slammed a screwdriver or something into that. And let's see. Push the pins in. Turn. Oh yeah, they locked it up. It won't even turn. Even if I push in the pins. Well, that sucks. Not much of a video here for you guys then, huh? So this definitely was a theft recovery. Somebody stole this joint. Sad. And it looks like they wrecked it. I left it. Like ran it off the side of the road or ran it through some mud, destroyed it, and then left it. Or got it stuck somewhere and left it. Sad. Pretty sad. But overall, outside of that, the interior, outside of these couple little rips in the seat, ain't bad. And for real, you probably could put this thing back together. You know, ignition. I bet you she runs and drives. It says it runs and drives. I bet you it does. Well, short bonus video for you guys today. Just something that came across my list and something I thought was interesting for the money, for the pre-bids, and it's only at $100 right now. There's the listing. If you guys want to check it out yourselves, I thought it was interesting. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. All right, guys, it's going to do it. Very short bonus video for you guys today. You know, sometimes if I see something interesting, it's not something that I normally will throw into the walk around. I'll give you guys a bonus video on it, and that's what this was here. This is not bad at $100. I don't think it's going to stay at $100, but I also don't think it's going to go for a ton of money, and I bet you it runs and drives just fine. Anyways, guys, let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Thank you guys very much for watching. I probably got another video. I'll probably drop this in the morning as one of my morning videos, and you guys will get a regular video later in the day. But anyways, let me know what you guys think in the comments, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Peace.